Some people watching this video may be in the process of deciding which law firm should represent me in my mesothelioma case. I want to give you some advice. I'm going to give you the advice I would give you if I were talking to my mom about this. My advice, first of all, is you need to find a firm that is what I would consider well balanced and strong in what they do. Well balanced meaning they don't exist in a tunnel where they only deal with asbestos. That can seem to be a benefit if you think, for example, well, if I was going to have brain surgery, I'd want someone who deals only in brain surgery. But litigation is not like that. The problem with litigation is if you go to someone who only is a brain surgeon, and yet your problem is not brain surgery, that person's going to have a limited ability to help you. When your problem is mesothelioma, the problem is actually much broader than simply the disease. The problem is one that involves expert witnesses, teams of people dealing with issues like epidemiology, causation, Bradford Hill criteria, all sorts of terms that may be foreign to you right now, but they're terms that have exposure from not just asbestos, but all sorts of areas of medicine and science. So you need a broad firm that's got broad exposure and yet has that strong special interest in mesothelioma, so that that law firm's able to deal with your mesothelioma problem against a vast landscape of other factors that may be involved. Other words of advice. Make sure you like your lawyers. Make sure that you're comfortable dealing with them. Make sure that they're friendly, that they're going to be there, that they will give you phone numbers, that you will have access to people, that they will be open books for you. You need to have information on your terms when you need it and how you need it. And that will never happen if you're not comfortable with the legal team that represents you. Next, I'd advise you to make sure you're getting a team. Don't ever let anyone convince you that there's a lawyer who's going to take care of you. Mesothelioma cases are far too complicated and require far too much resource for one person or even two people to step in and claim they're going to do it. It's a nice sales pitch, but it's not a nice reality, because you need the team approach. You need a team of specialists, each dealing in their area, to help you handle this problem.